everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we are going to unbox another item from Sephora. As you know, these few weeks I had been ordering a lot from Sephora. And now that the box arrived, I thought, let's do the unboxing together. So how are you guys? Have you guys been shopping? Now that it is the Christmas season, I think I've been buying more. And just this month, I think I've spent like a few $1,000s already. There you go. This is my Sephora box. So let's unbox this and take a look at what I have. And meanwhile, if you can see on my hand, I have this like red color nail polish. This nail polish is actually from Sephora as well. If you have watched my earlier video, you would have seen me unboxing a package from Sephora. And in that video, I have this particular product. It's a 5-piece nail polish set. And one of the colors is this. I thought it's kind of nice. And in terms of quality of this nail polish, I would say that it is not that thick. Say for example, if I were to rate it about 100% for full thickness, I think the thickness of this may be around 75% thickness. But of course, it's not like 50%, you know, the kind of diluted nail polish look. But this is about 75% upon 100 if you were to rate the thickness of this nail polish. So say for example, if I were to polish and do it like 2 times, you may see a streak of that nail polish coming towards the middle, and you'll see like 2 layers, you know. But if you were to wait for it to dry up and then you do a 3rd layer or the 4th layer, it will be totally opaque, okay? But one single layer, maybe not, maybe about 75% of the opacity. So that's what I feel about this Sephora nail polish. But overall, I think it's still pretty good. I mean, for the price, it's about USD $4, $4.50 after the discount. So yeah, I think you can still purchase it. So I'm going to try out more new colors for this polish, and probably next week I will change it to pink, I think. Yeah, and then towards Christmas I'll change it to the gold one. Watch my earlier video and you'll see all those 5 colors that I unboxed from Sephora. So anyway, back to this video. This is the box that just arrived today, and let's unbox this. First one in the box is actually, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, OAI refresh. So this one, I thought is so worth it. In terms of the value, you have got 1 bottle of super dry shampoo that you can spray all over your hair, and also the detox shampoo. And I have to say that I already tried this, the shampoo. Oh my god, I think it's quite good, because after you wash your hair the next day, towards the end of the day or maybe the night time of the next day, your hair totally don't feel greasy at all. It's amazing, because that's the first time I've tried any shampoo that does not leave your hair greasy on the 2nd day at the end of the day. You know, typically when I use other shampoos, I find that towards the morning of the 2nd day, my hair will start to get some oil, you know, doesn't look as fresh as before. But with this detox shampoo, I find it's a little different. Like the 2nd day in the morning, my hair still looks fresh, okay? And towards the end of the 2nd day, my hair still looks fresh. But of course not as fresh as the morning, maybe, you know, but still looks fresh. Okay, so that's why I purchased another set. And this set, if you were to catch my earlier video, I think it's so worth it, because another one, because the price of these two originally should be about $80 over US dollar, but after the discount with Sephora, I think and also this package price, because it's like a holiday package, right? It is only about $40 US dollar, and it's so worth it. I have yet to try this dry shampoo, but I guess it should be quite good because the shampoo is pretty good. Yeah, but dry shampoo, not sure. I'm gonna try it, and I mean, if there's something I need to highlight, I will do it over the video, in the next video probably. Yeah, but otherwise, yeah, I'm so excited. So this is my purchase, another 2 boxes of this. Next up, ta-da! Another one of the Percy and Reed holiday set. Not sure why they classify this under the holiday set, but in terms of the packaging, the box, I would think that on other days you will still get these 3 pieces. So here is the that's the sticker. Very nice presentation. And here inside the box we have got this sun and fragrance spray. We have got the hairspray, you need this, and we have got the dry shampoo. And guys, I want to tell you something. I have this weighing machine at home, and I will take all this product and weigh it. Let me tell you the truth, this writes 200 ml, but when I weigh it, it's only 160. And for this, it writes 250, and when I weigh it, it's about 210, you know, hovering between 210 or 205. Okay, that's the thing. But when I try to weigh this, when it says 127, it's about 140 on my weighing scale, and for this 300 on my weighing scale is about 340, I think, 330 to 340. So what does it mean? And this is not the first time that Percy and Reed is going under the declared weight or the ml. So I'm not sure, because to me, I think every 100 ml is equals to every 100 gram. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know. So yeah, that's about Percy and Reed. Some discovery that I made, which I could be wrong. I'm not sure if they are under declaring, because the way I calculate 100 ml should be equivalent to 100 gram. So not sure. Please let me know if I did something wrong. Okay, so at this portion of the box, nothing else. And over here we have got our last item. Ta-da! It is the Lamia Christmas set. If you have watched my earlier video, you would have seen that I already purchased 1 box of Lamia set, but it is not this box, okay? This is actually the moisturizing cream together with the eye concentrate. I've always been interested to try the eye concentrate. I thought if they're so expensive, maybe probability of being a very good product, probability should be high. So anyway, here is what I have, the cream and also the eye concentrate. Has anybody tried the eye concentrate? Would you kindly let me know if it is good? Because I'm really curious, you know, and that's why I thought, yeah, I'll pay for this and try it. So the thing is, there is a promotion for this set. The original price of this is the same price as the entire set. So basically what I'm paying for is for this cream, but I actually get the eye lotion for free. So same price for single a la carte bottle, same price for entire set, plus the beautiful Rolex color box. I think this box is really beautiful. I'm going to reuse this. Yeah, not sure on other days outside, you know, the festive season if they will give sets like this. But anyway, I got it, and this is my second box. Catch my earlier video on the unboxing of the first Lamia set. And that's about it, guys. All of my unboxing. Here is the Percy brand. Let me know, have you been buying a lot? I'm not sure. I just find that during the Christmas season, whenever they play those like Christmas rhymes and the songs and chorals, it just makes me feel like buying. It makes me feel like purchasing a lot of things off the stores. And maybe it could be the setup, like the way the whole place is being set up to encourage spending. Like you will see posters everywhere, you will see you know, promotion sets, etc. Maybe it's sort of like entice buying, and that's why I'm paying more and buying more. Like I've got so much things. Like I haven't even finished using my earlier shampoos from other brands, and I'm already buying so much to like hog up and stock up. I'm gonna fill my racks and my cabinet. So anyway, yeah, so that's the end of my unboxing. If you like this video, remember to click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe, because it's kind of easy. You see the subscribe button, click on it and you'll be subscribed to my videos for future videos like unboxing. You know, sometimes I have Hermes and Chanel stuff. So yeah, it's a mixture of fashion and skincare. Mostly it will be like that. So anyway, that's all. Remember to click on like button. Alright, take care guys, and